petitioner is desirous to hold a meeting.
Yes.
Hold a meeting on Shahid Divas of All India Trinamool Congress, which is being observed on 21st July of each year for pretty long period of time. Stop. It is submitted by Mr. Kullan Bandyopadhyay, an senior advocate representing the petitioner, that in previous years, Shahid Divas was observed by All India Trinamool Congress at Esplanade within bracket Dharmotala near Victoria House. Stop. However, near Victoria House. Stop. In the same breath, it is also submitted due to changed circumstances and taking note of the fact that concerned police authority has already granted permission to two other organizations to hold similar program on same day, that is 21st July 2026. Prayer is made for permitting the petitioner to hold the program or to hold the meeting on 21st July 2026 at a place within the vicinity of Esplanade. Stop. It is also submitted that estimated participants will be 10,000. Stop. Next paragraph. Learned Advocate Mr. Surajit Nath Mitra, Learned Advocate General, duly assisted by Mr. Bilodal Bhattacharya, Learned Additional Advocate General, has opposed this petition to the extent of permitting the petitioner to hold the meeting on 21st July 2026 at the proposed places. Stop. At the places as proposed by the petitioner. At the places as proposed by the petitioner. Stop. On instruction, it is submitted that arrangement can be made. Now, on instruction, it is submitted by Mr. On instruction, it is submitted on behalf of the state respondents that permission can be granted to hold such meeting at Raja Subodh Mollik Square near Wellington, but the capacity so far that venue is concerned is not more than 2,000.
Approximate to the approximate.
Stop. It is also submitted that permissions are, next paragraph, it is also submitted on behalf of the state respondents that permissions are accorded in favor of two organizations to hold similar program on 21st July 2026 at two different places, that is at Shahid Minar and Gandhi Statue. At Shahid Minar and at a place near, or at Shahid Minar and Gandhi Statue. At Shahid Minar and at a place near to Gandhi Statue. Stop. It is also contended that estimated number of participants in the program at Shahid Minar is 10,000, whereas the place nearby to Gandhi Statue, estimated participants is 700/800. Stop. Next paragraph. Having considered the respective submissions made on behalf of the parties, court finds that holding meeting in order to observe Shahid Divas on 21st July 2026 at Esplanade within bracket Dharmotala close bracket near Victoria House is impermissible since the since such gathering at such gathering near to Victoria House would choke main thoroughfare from North Kolkata to Esplanade. Stop. It is also flagged on behalf of the state respondents that if three separate programs are organized on the same day at same time, then there will be a law and order issue. There will be law and order issue. And to obviate this, petitioner needs to be permitted to hold program at a place which is away from two other venues in two other venues where two organizations have been permitted to hold program, have already been permitted to hold a program. Next paragraph. It is suggested, it is submitted on behalf of the petitioner that a road in front of Birla Planetarium may be considered for granting permission as sought for. Stop. It is also submitted that on 27 June you made an application.
Yes, madam.
That on it is also submitted. It is also submitted that on that application was made seeking permission from the concerned police authorities to hold meeting on 27 June 2026, but as yet no decision is taken. Stop. It is alleged on behalf of the petitioners that though two other organizations made applications subsequent to subsequent to the Ketedaw after 27 June 2026, but they were permitted to organize meeting, and decision was taken before taking decision on the application of the petitioner. Next paragraph. On behalf of the state respondents, it is submitted that number of that considering number of participants as expressed on behalf of the state respondents, it is submitted considering number of participants as expressed on behalf of the petitioner and existence of hospital and schools the road in front of Birla Planetarium may not be an ideal place for giving, may not be an appropriate place for granting permission to organize such meeting. Next paragraph. Without delving into the details as to why application of the petitioner which was preferred on 27 June 2026 seeking permission was kept pending, and two other applications made by two organizations were allowed. Court directs the concerned police authorities to permit the petitioner to permit the petitioner organization to hold meeting at one flank of the road in front of Bangla Planetarium, keeping another flank open for vehicular movement. Stop. Effort has to be made by the petitioner to restrict number of participants within 3,000. Stop. Next paragraph. Concerned police authorities are directed to depute adequate number of police personnel to see that no law and order to see that there will be no law and order issue, or to maintain law and order, and it needs to be ensured that no untoward incident takes place, as there will be 3 meetings at 3 different places on the same day, that is 21st July 2026. Stop. What will be the timing?
This is 12 to 3. We will finish it by 3 p.m.
Kindly record my submission that, my lord, that place is not, my lord, sufficient to accommodate
I have recorded.
3,000 people.
I have recorded.
Only one request, my lord, one prayer.
And my lord, the application.
No. While recording the submission on behalf of the state respondents, that is your submission, I have stated that is not a place which would be fit for gathering of the persons as indicated in the writ petition. I have stated gathering of number of persons.
Indicate any number. The writ petition does not indicate any number. The application also does not indicate any number. It was, my lord, the submission from the bar. Be that as it may, the submission was 10,000. My lord, I said, my lord, even my lord, that place is not good enough for my.
We contact to Anand.
My lord, page 45, 46, kindly see what I have said.
Very well, Mr. वो जे स्टेट सबमिशन টা বলো না হ্যাঁ বলো আরেকবার সেন্টেন্সটা পড়ো হ্যাঁ ঠিক ধরেছে ওই এটাই বলতে চাও না না ওকেই পড়তে দাও considering proposed number of participants.
না ওটা চৌমাথায় বসে যাওয়ার চেষ্টা
Considering the proposed number of participants, I have recorded. The road in front of Bangla Planetarium will not be an appropriate place for holding such meeting due to presence of hospital and schools.
Proposed number was 10,000, my lord. That is
That I have not stated. That I have not stated.
And the later, my learned friend, I'm sorry.
Since, as you have indicated, Mr. Mitro, that in the writ petition, there is no indication that what would be the number of participants. It is submitted at the bar.
Page 46.
Then, my lord,
I dispute that.
Very well.
Page 46.
Kindly come to page 46. I did not show it. Kindly come to page 46.
46,
Then,
yes.
my lord, it would be at least 50,000.
Oh, that has been restricted.
No.
That has been
That
restricted
is the
by this
petition.
court. Yes, in the
That is the
petition.
petition.
That has been restricted by my
Page
lord.
46, yes.
Yes.
For the recommend- Page 46, Mr. Mitro.
First paragraph, yes.
Page 46 of the writ petition.
Yes, yes.
This is a letter of All India Trinamool
Yes,
Congress.
yes.
Gathering
For
of
record
peop-
and reference, it is stated.
That the
gathering of people shall be similar, if not identical, as has been
Where
prayed
from you are getting this? If not identical, as has been
As has been for
past several years, the records of which are all are well kept with your office.
That's right.
No. Where it is stated that 10,000 or
No, it's not.
10,000 from my mouth. It has come from my mouth.
reference it is
Since your lordship was asking me
gathering
the
of the
question.
people shall be similar. Oh, gathering of the people shall be similar if not identical.
Yes.
So that's why it was not decided. He could have rejected it on the point of gathering.
Now, Millard,
Because
now,
meetings were
Millard,
continuously.
can I just,
Yes,
Millard, can
meetings were continuously.
give me 1 minute time.
It was just a minute. Yes.
Meetings were thereafter held, my lord. There, my lord, it was clarified. Everything was clarified.
Yesterday they had a meeting, a long meeting, 3 representatives.
Just a minute.
13th meeting was held.
To find out the solution.
Yes. And these proposals were given, my lord. 10,000, I would again submit, my lord. Brigade Parade Ground is, my lord, possible.
No, 10,000 court is not directing. Court is restricting it to কত বললাম?
3,000.
3,000.
The whole
Court
difficulty.
is not paying.
Millard,
The whole difficulty, I will tell you.
It will be ridiculous if there will be a gathering of 3,000
Very
people
well,
at
then Shubodh
Brigade
Mullik-
Parade Ground.
Shubodh Mullik Square. It's close to everything.
Well, কি বললাম?
Millard, can I just, can I, one prayer, Millard? Just,
Learned Advocate General is very specific that meeting can be held only at Subodh Mullik Square
Millard, that is, I am, Millard.
or at Hajra.
No, Millard, I am. That is not possible. Millard, your lordship has said
3,000,
so.
my
Then
lord.
your lordship has
There
already
is
said,
no
I have not.
point in-
Millard, that is not. Millard,
1,000
that is not there. Millard.
planetarium-এর সামনে
That your lordship has said
Mr.
about.
Mitro, you are saying Subodh Mullik Square. They are keen on holding. They are keen on petitioner is keen on holding program at Dharmotala
That's
and Dorina Crossing or metro station. So I have discarded these submissions and a place which is not surfaced at least from the petition. There I will permit you, subject to providing assistance by the
Then
state
kindly
administration.
reduce the number, my lord. Your lordship has imposed condition on my officers that they shall ensure, my lord, that, my lord, nothing untoward happen. My lord, if, my lord, 3,000 people goes there, my lord, it would be difficulty. My lord, I took very specific instruction. I took very specific instruction before.
Millard,
the meeting.
this is Calcutta police has done so many crowd dealt with. Under this regime, Calcutta police has become so inefficient that they can't handle it.
Very well.
Calcutta police has handled it 50,000 crowds.
Yes,
Calcutta
everything was closed down.
Then different
All of
reasons.
us know I
Yeah,
stopped. I
different
was staying
reason-
in North
Dif-
Calcutta. I
different
stopped
reason-
coming on
different
21st of
different
July
regime,
because, my lord, I could not come.
different regime.
I'm not going
Now
into
the
all
present
this.
regime has gone.
What Calcutta police has done.
No,
my
no,
lord, all of
Calcutta
us know.
police has done. Yes.
What of us
Mr.
know?
Bandyopadhyay on 21st
Shut down
July
everything.
program, we have bitter experience.
Yes, yes. That's your lordship.
All residents of Calcutta had bitter experience.
Millard, everyone has
Entire city used to come to a
Millard,
standstill.
Millard, kindly
I
see.
stopped
Why,
coming
then
to
in
court
that
on
case,
those
Millard, in any religious function, every
Even this High Court could not function
Millard,
because of
Millard, every
number
religion,
of attendance.
every religious function, Calcutta people has a very difficult Millard experience. Every religious function, every political meeting, not for 21st July also. Millard, what I am, Millard, kindly just 1 minute, Millard, kindly 1 minute. Millard, because of the experience, after the order your lordship has passed in that matter, we have seen.
That Hajara Road.
Yes, yes. Completely manhandled by everyone. I will come later on for that. Millard, I have made a prayer. Page J. A prayer J. Kindly see. And what has happened in that on that day? So not to allow any other political party to put loudspeaker and mobilize mob. মহিলাদের ছবিগুলো দেখাও তো একটু আরে মোহিত তুই জান বলছিস সেটা আমি on that day from Hajra মানে this
Yes, yes, it was mentioned by Mr. Bandyopadhyay, junior Mr. Bandyopadhyay.
up to last Millard,
You take steps there.
the guards were manhandled. Kindly, therefore, this is the safety we need.
Kindly.
And
kindly,
another
direct,
party.
my lord, Brigade
That
Parade Ground.
issue was also came in the newspaper.
Yes,
Kindly direct
everyone.
Brigade Parade Ground. My lord,
Brigade. You could have set me on 27 June to hold brigade. I
Did you
I
ask
could have.
for?
No, I could have said
Did
no.
you?
Application has been
Kindly look into
rejected.
the letters.
Application is rejected. You go to brigade.
Very well, since I have given a direction, restrict the gathering up to 2,500.
So, I leave it to you. I leave
Since
it.
we advocates
I
raising concern with regard to
I am raising concern about the government's this rival political attitude.
but considering the rival concerns expressed by the respective
But
parties,
what is a
court has to strike
court?
a balance.
What is a rival section? Rival section is set up by one minister.
2,500 করে দাও।
It's all right, my lord. Kindly give this protection. Otherwise, it will be impossible. The loudspeaker.
কি বলছো?
Yes. In that PT complaint itself, we have said so. Sorry, complaint বলছি application.
Fire permission দিতে হবে, fire license দিতে হবে।
That we will take it.
21st July 2026. Stop. Next paragraph. The concerned police authorities are also directed to there will be a blanket order not to use loudspeaker.
No, blanket order now. Other side. What is happening?
How do you do
Kindly
it?
see, kindly. No, don't.
They are not
You
parties.
can't be remain mute spectator.
No, Mr. Bandyopadhyay, I have already directed.
I am saying
There
at
will be a repetition. I have already directed that the concerned police authorities are directed to ensure that there will be no law and order issue.
very nice.
I have directed.
But very nice.
Because if I direct that not to use loudspeaker,
No,
then
no.
that will be
No.
counterproductive.
Others.
So far, your
No,
program is concerned.
What has happened? The meeting, Michil was on that day to little extent. It was staged up to my residence even at Kalighat. What is happening? Where we are?
If you want, then this court will be very happy to direct them not to use any loudspeaker.
No one.
And mine.
No one should use loudspeaker. Not the fractional group will allow you to use
So
loudspeaker.
that's why better to
Better-
not to
Well,
incorporate
no, it's all right.
any part
Since
relating to loudspeaker.
your lordship has clarified, my lord, I have nothing to say. When your lordship has clarified, I have nothing to say.
Meetings
I'm
the said meeting will be conducted in between
12 to 3. By 3, keep it 3:30.
12 noon to
We will finish it by 3.
and 3:30 p.m.
3:30 p.m.
3:30 p.m. Stop.
Just by Tano. Well, all facilities which were extended to other groups, that should also be extended to us.
কষ্ট করানো যে আমরা রিপ্লাই দিয়েছি ওদের অ্যাপ্লিকেশনে আমরা যে রিপ্লাই দিয়েছি
আচ্ছা আরেকটা করে দাও petitioner shall share names and particulars and mobile number of 20 volunteers with whom it is to be shared, Mr. Mitro.
জয়েন্ট সিপি হেডকোয়ার্টার্স
Whether the joint CP headquarters is party, no.
No, Joint SP headquarters is not part.
never taken permission. Without permission it used to happen.
Joint SP has not been made part. Commissioner of Police
No,
has
no,
been made.
we have
With the
filed out-
deputy commissioner of police.
So it's the joint CP headquarters who is vested. Who has the-
Very well. Joint CP headquarters to be made party. With joint will কি বললাম 20 volunteers shall be shared with joint commissioner of police headquarter by by 17 July 2026 at 4 p.m.
আজকে কত তারিখ 15 আজকে 15 18th right 18th
By 18 July 2026 at 4 p.m. Stop. These volunteers will be responsible for carrying out the order passed by this court and maintaining conditions stipulated above. Next paragraph. With the aforesaid directions,
The facilities which are
Only one, my lord, addition I would pray for. The petitioner and the volunteers shall ensure that, my lord, the movement on the other flank
Yes,
is not
yes, of
obstructed.
course, of course.
It's,
I will-
they have to do that.
Yes, yes, certainly.
as well as petitioners as well as 20 volunteers shall take steps to ensure that one flank of the road shall be kept open for
And
vehicle
also police,
for vehicular
and also police,
You-
and also
for-
police,
for vehicular movement
and also police.
for vehicular movement during the meeting
Well,
during the meeting.
And also police,
Stop.
my lord.
Police authorities are also directed to take necessary steps for ensuring vehicular movement on one flank of the said route.
Very nice.
Stop. Next paragraph with the
My lord, my lord, I have challenged also 144. Sorry, 163 now.
court is
No,
giving
no,
direction.
what I am submitting, otherwise it would be later on. The plea regarding the 163 has been
Is
kept open. That's all right.
Next,
And the
in
my lord,
view-
facilities
in-
which were extended
in
to others also.
in view of the aforesaid order passed by this court, thereby permitting the petitioner organization to hold meeting on 21st July 2026 at the place indicated at the place alluded above. Propriety of the order dated 30th June 2026 of issued by the Commissioner of Police, Kolkata, and Executive Magistrate of the Metropolitan City of Kolkata and South 24 Parganas District is kept open, is not decided,
Or not one.
is not decided, and is kept open. Stop. Writ petitions has disposed of urgent xerox certificate copy.
ওইটা শুধু একটু পড়তে হবে যে কমিউনিকেট করা
তাই তো
হয়েছে
বললো।
আমরা কমিউনিকেট করেছি মানে ওদের সাথে আগে কমিউনিকেট করেছিলাম
No, we have also given reply that
Paragraph, learned advocates representing the petitioner and state respondents are directed to communicate this order immediately to the concerned police authorities without waiting for the server copy of the order. Stop. Next paragraph. Next paragraph. Leave is granted to the learned advocate representing the petitioner to amend the cost title and add Joint Commissioner of Police headquartered as additional respondent in course of this case.
But then can we
subject to other necessary
Can
permissions
we-
being obtained from the other authorities Bharat. KMC
Yes, whatever.
KMC
That
sound
is,
permission
that is
this is
implied.
subject to the other permissions being obtained Bharat.
No.
This does the
No, 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 no.
No.
No,
kindly take 34A
no, no.
kindly take 34A
এসো জাজমেন্ট ফর্মে করে দাও
stage করতে দেবো না তাহলে stage হবে না ফাইনাল
নো